Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. This afternoon, take a look at this product that was sent out to me by Govee. As a home chef, guys, cooking beef, poultry, things like that, occasionally fish for a guest, knowing the proper temperature has been achieved is a challenge. So, having something like one of these smart meat thermometers is a win. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. All right, guys, you can see here laid out is everything that comes in the box. Of course, you're going to get your starter manual and some instructions on how to set this up and connect this to your smartphone. There are two batteries included. That is very nice that they provide those for you. This is the actual unit itself. You see it does have a nice little stand here on the back, so you can kind of sit this guy upright. Let's pop this open and go ahead and drop our batteries in. Installing the battery is very simple. All right, guys, once your batteries are installed, you guys can see this is how you're going to connect it. Now, this unit only comes with the two probes. You can buy additional probes if you choose to. The cables on this guy are a kind of like a metal mesh because these are going to be in high temperatures. So this is relatively long. This is also detachable completely from this little holder, as you guys see here. And you're going to take this probe and you're going to place this into your meat and then use this to determine the temperature over time during your cooking process. So that is a wonderful design, guys, for this device. So as you guys can see, you have pretty much everything that you need right here in the box. Now, like I said, it does come with some instructions for setting this up with your smartphone. You're just going to connect this with your Android or Apple device, and you'll be able to monitor the temperatures that you have preset for your cooking. That's a win as well. Now, of course, it does come with this starter manual, which will kind of walk you through some of the features and again, including how to set it up, how to connect everything to it, similar to how I've shown you guys here in this video. So if you're looking for a really well-built thermometer for cooking, I think this might be a great option for you. I won't waste your time, guys, showing you myself cooking something. Most people know what it's like, to cook beef, poultry, fish, turkey, whatever the case it may be. Having the correct temperature is the most important thing. So I can honestly tell you from working with a number of different products similar to this from Govee, they are rock stars when it comes to producing this type of technology, and you're going to be very satisfied with it as I have been. All right, guys, it has been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.